Hello and welcome to another episode of the Smart Finance Podcast, where we help small business owners master their numbers and grow with confidence. Today's episode is a must-watch for anyone wondering, am I charging enough, or worse, am I leaving money on the table? Join Irene and her special guest pricing strategist, Tony Michelis. They break down the real cost of underpricing and how to fix it fast. Now let's head over to Irene, who is hosting this powerful conversation.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Smart Finance Podcast. I'm your host, Irene, founder of Irene Consulting Firm. Today, we're talking about one of the biggest silent killers of small businesses, pricing mistakes. My guest is Tony, a certified pricing strategist with over 15 years of experience helping entrepreneurs price for profit, not poverty. Tony, welcome and thank you for joining me.
Thank you, Irene. I'm thrilled to be here. Pricing is one of the most overlooked yet powerful tools small business owners can use to grow profitably. I'm excited to unpack this with you today.
Let's dive right in. Tony, why do so many small business owners get pricing wrong from the start?
Great question. Most business owners set their price emotionally, not strategically. They look at what competitors charge or what feels right. But pricing should be based on three things: your costs, your value, and your customer's willingness to pay. Another common mistake? Pricing for survival instead of profit. That mindset keeps businesses broke.
Let's talk about discounts. Many small businesses offer discounts to attract clients. Is that always a bad idea?
Discounting is a double-edged sword. Every 10% discount you give, you might need 30% more volume to make up for the lost profit. Most small businesses don't realize that. You're not just giving away revenue, you're teaching your customers that your service isn't worth full price.
What are some common pricing mistakes you've seen with service-based businesses?
Absolutely. Here are three I see all the time. 1. Flat pricing with no tiered packages. Clients are treated equally even if their needs vary. 2. No annual review of prices, inflation, costs, and demand change. Your pricing should too. 3. Charging by the hour without minimums. You lose control of scope and profitability. For example, one of my clients, a wedding planner, was charging $1,500 per event. After analyzing her time, tools, and overhead, we restructured her pricing into 3 packages. Her average sale jumped to $3,200, and she worked with fewer clients.
Running a small or medium business is no easy task, and managing your finances shouldn't hold you back. At Irene Consulting Firm, we help small and medium businesses save time and grow profits. With expert bookkeeping, payroll, and financial analysis services, we simplify your finances so you can focus on success. Operating across all 50 states, we're your trusted partner for smarter financial management. Ready to grow your business? Contact us today at 404-399-6099 or visit www.ireneconsultingfirm.com.
How can a small business owner tell if their pricing is too low?
If you're constantly busy but still cash poor, that's a sign. Also, if you're getting zero pushback on your pricing, you're likely too cheap. And if you're attracting clients who constantly bargain or delay payments, you're probably not charging enough to filter them out.
Many fear raising prices because they think they'll lose clients. What's your advice?
Fear is valid, but it's often unfounded. The key is communication. Explain how your service has improved or how market changes justify it. Start with new clients first. And remember, losing 10% of your low-paying clients is worth gaining profitability across the board.
Let's get actionable. What steps should our viewers take today to evaluate and fix their pricing?
Here's a quick 3-step pricing fix plan. 1. Know your costs, understand your break-even point. 2. Audit your client base. Who's profitable? Who's draining you? 3. Create value-based packages. Focus on results, not time. If it feels scary, that's a sign you're stepping into real growth.
This was so insightful, Tony. Thank you for breaking this down. Where can people connect with you if they want more help with their pricing?
They can visit our website to learn more or find me on LinkedIn. I also have a free pricing guide for service businesses, which I'd be happy to share. Thanks.
That's it for today's episode of the Smart Finance Podcast. Big thanks to Irene and Tony for making this podcast. If your business feels like it's working hard but not seeing profit, maybe your pricing Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Irene Consulting Firm on YouTube. And if you're ready to make smarter money decisions, connect with Irene today. Until next time, keep your finances flying high.
Looking for
Bye for now.
motivational apparel and essentials to kickstart 2025? Visit my Etsy shop, Irene Biz Essentials. Simply go to www.etsy.com/shop/Irene Biz Essentials and grab your favorites today. Link in the description.